The story of the blind man and the elephant. In a small village, there lived 6 blind men who were known for their wisdom and curiosity. One day, they heard about an elephant that had been brought to the village, and they were eager to learn more about it. The first blind man approached the elephant and touched its side. "Ah," he said, "the elephant is like a wall." The second blind man touched the elephant's tusk. "No, no," he said, "the elephant is like a spear." The third blind man touched the elephant's trunk. "You are both wrong," he said. "The elephant is like a snake." The fourth blind man touched the elephant's knee. "No, no," he said, "the elephant is like a tree." The fifth blind man touched the elephant's ear. "You are all wrong," he said. "The elephant is like a fan." The sixth blind man touched the elephant's tail. "No, no," he said. "The elephant is like a rope." The 6 blind men argued and debated, each one convinced that their own perception of the elephant was the correct one. Just then, a wise old man appeared and asked them what they were arguing about. The blind men explained their different perceptions of the elephant, and the old man smiled. "You are all correct," he said, "and you are all wrong. The elephant is like a wall, a spear, a snake, a tree, a fan, and a rope. But it is also much more than that." The blind men were confused, and the old man explained that the elephant was a complex and multifaceted creature that could not be fully understood by any one person. "The truth is not just one thing," the old man said. "It is many things, and it is different for each person." The 6 blind men nodded in understanding, and from that day on, they made a point to listen to and respect each other's perspectives. The story of the blind men and the elephant teaches us the importance of respecting and appreciating different perspectives. It reminds us that truth is complex and multifaceted, and that no one person can fully understand it. As we reflect on this story, let us remember the importance of being open-minded and receptive to different viewpoints. Let us strive to listen to and respect each other's perspectives, even when we disagree, for it is in embracing diversity and complexity that we can gain a deeper understanding of the world and our place in it. The story also teaches us the importance of humility and recognizing the limitations of our own knowledge and understanding. As the blind men learned, we must be willing to acknowledge that we do not have all the answers and that there may be other perspectives and truths that we have not yet considered. By embracing humility and recognizing the complexity of truth, we can gain a deeper understanding of the world and our place in it. In conclusion, the story of the blind man and the elephant is a powerful reminder of the importance of respecting and appreciating different perspectives. It teaches us to be open-minded, receptive, and humble, and to recognize the complexity and multifaceted nature of truth.